Hello, peoples and persons. Welcome back to Dante's Derivatives. Today I've got another equation for us. This one is a quadratic equation. It goes to the second power, and we're going to use Python to solve it. Let's get right to it. So I have this generic quadratic equation up here. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And this is the actual solution for a quadratic equation, or betterwise known as the quadratic formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all that over 2 times a. All right, we need this information to solve this equation. This is written out. This is actually 2x squared plus 7x minus 15, but written out for Python's format. So let's get right to solving this. So to solve the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 7x minus 15, we're going to need to import the math module, and from math we're going to need to import square root. All right, so let's get right to it. We are going to define a function called quadratic, and it's going to take 3 inputs, a, b, and c. Remember the ax squared plus bx plus c. All right. Now, we're going to keep in mind this quadratic equation solver. We're going to call it a function. This function is going to take in 3 inputs, but when we're getting our solutions, we're going to get 2 solutions. So I'll call one of these variables solution 1 and set it equal to the formula, part of the formula. Remember, the quadratic formula is plus or minus, so we're going to do negative b plus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c. And this should, in your brain, this should look like the quadratic formula, just in Python's format, divided by 2 times a. All right, and now solution 2 will be negative b minus square root b squared minus 4 times a times c, and all of that over 2a. And we're going to have this function return both solutions, solution 1 and solution 2. So now we can use this function to solve the 2x squared plus 7x minus 15, and we're going to check our solutions afterwards. So this is the function we're using. We're going to plug in the a, b, and the c. The a would be the 2, because it's 2x squared, plus 7x minus 15. So those are our coefficients, 2, 7, and negative 15. So let's see what our solutions will be. Looks like our solutions are 1.5 and negative 5.0. Let's go ahead and plug those 2 values into our equation. Let's try 1.5 first. 2 times 1.5 squared plus 7 times 1.5 minus 15. And remember, for our solutions, it should make our equation equal 0. So 2x squared plus 7x minus 15 should equal 0 here if we plug in 1.5. Oh, okay, so that is a solution, a possible solution for this equation. Now let's check another one. 2, let's check the negative 5. 2 times negative 5 squared plus 7 times negative 5 minus 15. This should equal 0. Looks like we have two good solutions for 2x squared plus 7x minus 15. You guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to like this video.